If your JoyCon isn't connecting to your Android phone, or if it pairs but doesn't work in games, don't worry. This usually happens due to a Bluetooth glitch, improper pairing, or controller input not being recognized properly by your phone. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Unpair and repair the JoyCon properly. First, go to your Android settings. Tap Connections or Bluetooth directly depending on your device model. Once you get to Bluetooth settings, if your JoyCon is listed under Paired Devices, tap the settings icon next to it. From here, choose Unpair or forget this device. Now get your JoyCons, then press and hold the sync button, which is basically the small round button beside the SL/SR buttons. Wait until the LEDs start blinking rapidly. Back on your phone, tap Scan for devices or a similar option. Tap on JoyCon L or JoyCon R when it shows up. Wait for the connection to complete. Now check if the buttons or joystick are responding in the game or controller tester app. If not, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Restart your phone and JoyCon sync mode. Sometimes a simple reboot clears Bluetooth issues. Restart your phone first. While your phone restarts, get your JoyCons. Then press and hold the JoyCon sync button again. When the light blinks, press the sync button to turn it off. This sort of resets the JoyCon. Now reconnect it from scratch in the Bluetooth settings. Once you're done, open a game or emulator and test again. If nothing works, make sure your phone is running Android 10 or higher. Avoid pairing the JoyCon through third-party apps or adapters. Try updating your JoyCon firmware through your Nintendo Switch console if you have one, or test the JoyCon with another Android device to rule out hardware issues. But in any case, if this video helps you fix your JoyCon issue, give it a thumbs up. If you're still stuck, drop your phone model and JoyCon issue in the comments. I'll try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Nintendo Switch and mobile gaming fixes.